Hi, so this video is for Pritam. So the way I got to know Pritam was basically I saw the post that he was making in Facebook. I added him as a friend. I knew that I had a project upcoming and I would be needing a funnel designer. So I added him and other funnel designers, and I really liked the way that he was doing the funnels. I felt like the kind of designs that he was doing was going to be really good for the business that I was running with my business partner. So, you know, I had a conversation with him probably a month before the project started, only because I got behind, and we kind of went back and forth and how many steps the funnels was going to be. It was going to be 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps. We finally narrowed it down to 3, and he did an amazing job. I actually wanted to pay him ahead of time because I was taking long on my end, and I was willing to pay him because we already had built that report. But he didn't want to take my money until I had every single thing that he needed so he could get the project started. And sure enough, he delivered the project faster than I was expecting it, and also he over-delivered. And he was, while he was building the project, or maybe right before he started, he was very instrumental in helping myself and my business partner make some tweaks and some changes that he thought would ultimately be better for conversions. Stuff that we hadn't thought about. Kind of we had a certain mindset, and it wasn't even just that. Even the copy, I went back to the drawing board with some of the tips that he gave me as far as the copy, and that was very helpful because it was something that kind of came out of left field. I was doing copy a certain way, and I decided to do it another way that he believes that it's probably better because that's what works with his clients. He has extensive experience. So the final outcome, it was amazing. The funnel looks amazing. It was better than what I thought it would look like. Now, based on his work and what we have been talking about, it was kind of what I was expecting, but you know, we really loved the final product, my business partner and I. And not only would I recommend Pritam working with him in the future, I'm going to continue working with him in the future as an agency owner. I'm gonna hire him out for other work that I want to do with my own clients. Super professional. The communication, very professional communication, and the peer review of the work, you know, very professional. So yeah, I mean, super recommended.